Welcome to Cardstock with Romz. Today, my mom will teach you how to make these Among Us colorful party banners. Before I show you the video, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye!
So the materials that you will need for today are the following. You will need a pair of scissors, the Among Us templates. I will link the templates below and these are absolutely for free. You will need glue. Whatever glue that you have, that's okay, you can use them. You will need brush and this is optional, a pencil, and of course our colored papers. You can use construction papers or cardstock papers. The first thing that we need to do is we need to trace all of the templates into the colored papers. The only black colored paper will be the base of the character itself, and then the rest you can actually trace them into whatever color that you would like, so that those colors would pop up into the black base of our Among Us template. Now that you're done tracing all the Among Us templates, the next thing is you have to cut them one by one, and later on I'll show you on how we can put them together. And now you will need to grab your glue. I'll be using a tacky glue, and again, whatever glue that you have, as long as they're gonna stick together, that is totally fine. You can use that. And now I'll be showing you on how I put them together, and just continue watching. So this is how it looks like. Now the next step is we need to punch 2 holes at the top part of this Among Us. And the reason why we need 2 holes because we are going to put the strings on those holes to get connected into the other pieces of the Among Us. Yes, I forgot to tell you that you need strings, but later on I'll show you on how we can do that. But now let's just keep on watching. And this is how they look like. They're so amazing and so colorful, and for sure kids would love this. And the last step that we just need to do is we need to connect them together using the strings so that we can create a Among Us party banner. And I will be using a cloth or these strings that I got from dollar store. You can actually use jute rope string or plastic strings as long as they're not thick and they are fit to the holes that we just created. So let's do it. And we're all done. So the good thing about this is you can actually adjust on your likings. So it's up to you. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments of your party banner, you're good to go. And of course, thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you like this simple tutorial on how to make the Among Us party banner. And if you're not yet subscribed, please do so. Click that notification bell, and we'll see you on my next video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.